Hi, I'm Tim Burgess from Shield Geo, and I'm really excited to be participating in Running Remote 2019 in Bali. The session that I'm going to be running is about simplifying the bureaucracy of hiring international remote workers. At Shield Geo, we employ and payroll about 400 workers every month for our clients in about 55 countries. And we've learned a huge amount over the years about a lot of the difficult decisions that you have to make, particularly as you start to scale remote teams. Decisions about employment contracts. Are they independent contractors? Are they employees? What about providing benefits and health insurance and retirement planning? What about performance management and terminating employees? As I say, we've learned a lot. We've applied a lot of those findings to our own remote teams, and I'm here to share a lot of that knowledge with you all. I'm very excited for the conference. I can't wait to meet everybody and learn and contribute.